Assalamualaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your IELTS PT instructor, trainer, Mr. Mohammad Fahim. Today, in the previous video, we have discussed a format of the writing task that you actually have to have these kind of essays in writing task 2, and you need to write 250 words. And many candidates and many students were often confused that how many paragraphs they're gonna write for their task 2. So I would recommend you to write at least 5 paragraphs or 6 paragraphs overall in your writing task 2, because one would be your intro paragraph in which you can paraphrase your question regarding whatsoever. If they are asking for the opinion essay, if they are asking for your opinion or for your agreement or disagreement, then you have to paraphrase the required information in your introduction. So introduction part is very important. What you need to do, you only have to paraphrase, you have to rearrange the question in your own and professional words. You have to use lexical resources, and lexical resources means you have to use professional vocabulary for just paraphrasing the question. And you have to write down overall 6 or 5 passages. So one would be your intro paragraph, second, third and fourth paragraph would be your body paragraphs, in which you can describe. If you're asking for agreement, disagreement essay, then you have to write down the strategy, example and agreement for this, why you are agreeing to this opinion. And even in the second body paragraph also, you have to write down one statement that you are in favor of, and showing the example or showing the details or reason for that. You have to explain the reason also in the body paragraphs. So similarly, you have to write down 3 main passages in your body paragraphs, illustration of details of the required essay. And in the last, you have to conclude the essay by summing up all the information in your last in concluding paragraph. So overall, I would certainly recommend you have to write 6 passages that have much more impact on the examiner if you go for the 4 passages as per requirement of the task 1. So as far as my opinion is concerned, I would recommend you have to write down at least 5 to 6 passages in your writing task 2. So this is all for today's video, and see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, so I would request you to please subscribe my channel wherever you are in any part of the world. So it is a humble request to you to please subscribe my channel, support me, and if you like my content, you can share it with your friends. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel and liking my videos. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, so it is a request you to please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends, so that the new information, whatever comes in future, you can have that kind of videos information as well. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.